Evening, welcome back to the channel, Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. I'm out with Stephen tonight, Tuesday evening, up in the Mournes. We haven't been up here in a few weeks, so we decided to get a few mountain miles in the legs here. No major mountains, but a bit of a lesser trodden route tonight. It's the Butter Mountain Circular. Behind me is Slievenamuck, which will be the highest point. It's 502 metres, so we're taking off another 500 one. Leads on to Butter Mountain, round Spaltha, I think you call it, correct me if I'm wrong there, and then on to Spelga and back into Spelga Dam where we've started. Stephen's motoring on, I'll catch him up. Another 500 done, Slievenamuck. Stephen corrected me. I said 502 at the start, it's 504. So pleasantly surprised with the views up here. See, in the distance we have Mourne, Mourne, down in the Slievenamuck, and then way in the distance, the big high ones, the crag tops, Slievenamuck. Spin you on round, and then it'll in between Slievenamuck and Pigeon Mountain, down in the Cranfield in the Irish Sea. One round again, we've got Slievenamuck way in the distance. You can see the track up to Pierce's Castle. We're right round, way out towards Cave Hill, into Slieve Crib, and we're racking Scrabble Tower way in the distance. So, Slievenamuck packs a punch. It's up there with, I always say it, with like the Hen Mountain, not Korea, not She. Smaller ones are good as well. Not much traffic on the Mourne way tonight. Always look left and right. 22 minutes, 0.6 mile from Spelga Dam, where we started, up to Slievenamuck. I don't think I said that. So that's your time check for the first one. Way out there, well, not a way out there, straight ahead. We do think it's Butter Mountain. On the all trails, it doesn't actually go to Butter Mountain for some reason. Strange, even though it is called the Butter Mountain Circular. So, but we'll take it off since we're here. So according to the Mourne Mountain Knife Edge book, we have to climb this little fence and follow the faint track on the left hand side, which will bring us on up the Butter Mountain. So I think this might be the only sort of obstacle of the night. Successfully passed. Heavy traffic there with sheep. In the distance on the summit of Butter Mountain at 492 metres is Kilcoo Reservoir, and then over in between Slievenamuck and Slievenamuck we can see the crags of Slievenamuck, looking menacing as always. We were going to stop here for dinner, but you have to follow, there's not much to sit about, so not going to kill much or spend too much more time up here. On this one we're going to follow the fence, it just drops down a wee bit, and then over to Spaltha. In between there, hopefully we'll have dinner. Coming up there from Slievenamuck over took 18 minutes or so. It's 1.10 mile. It's very swampy, by the way, if you're ever going to do it. I'm wearing trail runners tonight, so I'm getting away with it. In the height of winter, you probably need boots. Spot for dinner, just off Butter Mountain. Somewhere we're going to go from here, up over the shoulder, as the Sherpa said, over to Spaltha, and then Spelga Mountains away in the distance. We'll just drop down back into the car park. Dinner time. Just looking across Loch Ness to Slieve Gallion in Cookstown. Had dinner there. Chicken tikka masala. Stephan had chicken.
Indian chicken pasta.
Indian chicken pasta.
Something like that.
Looked lovely. I think mine was nicer, but we'll kick on. I say there's an hour and 3 minutes from the bottom of Spelga, but we did stop there for 20 minutes. Got the drone out, heading towards Slieve Muck. Picked up a wee bit of Foffany Dam and headed towards Slieve Muck. Great night for it. Ooh, feet's wet, maybe could have done with the boots. Somebody's left their jumper. That is the whole way to the fence. So we came from the fence, away from the fence to get up here somewhere, but I think we had to follow the fence and then cut across at the ridge, but it's looking, it's not uncrossable, it's gone about time for wet feet. I didn't have this on my bingo card for a Tuesday night up here. Ooh. Boy, am I glad to see a bit of rock instead of swamp. Can't complain, we're in the mountains. It is what it is. I'd added probably about not 20 minutes on to the journey, but I think we can see the top of Spaltha now. 40 minutes later from dinner, 2.3 mile to the top of Spaltha, 477 metres. It's actually quite a good wee craggy top, good views. We're not going to stand about, we're just going to kick on, follow the track which is here, and hit Spelga Mountain. Let's go. Summit number 4 of the night, Spelga Mountain, 472 metres. More good views. Again, out towards Cranfield direction, obviously Spelga Dam. Spin around just a wee top of Hen Mountain. A dam on top of Spelga Mountain. We'll head back to the car now. I'll give you all the details. It's another midweeker done. 3.53 mile. 2 hours 17 minutes. We did stop for 20 minutes for something to eat, and then 20 minutes probably trying to cross the swamp up the top there. Good views and stuff. You could probably knock it out in about 90 minutes if you didn't stop at all. Nice easy one for a Tuesday night. Ticked off 4 of the lesser peaks obviously. Slievenamuck, Butter Mountain, Spelga and Spala. I think I've said that right, I don't know. I have these pastel donatas on the way home here. Got them out a little with my chicken curry. So that's the end of this one. Thanks for coming along. I'll hopefully see you all next week again.